It's me I learn the trade in Orlando.
Yeah.
But I build my own house. Not go too
Nah, listen to me.
So now, this gonna work or what?
Go down
That
there with
only
it.
can work for the top.
Mine
baby.
no rake up the
Listen,
chef.
man.
So no more than that. Pull like bucket them. You don't mix good, man. What do you mean?
I need water.
You don't need too wet. You don't need to be too wet. How about you don't mix good? You mix cement? Tea. Hot chocolate. Mind do some tea, you know. Some porridge actually. Yeah. Alright people. There's people so see grave here. This is my grandmother's grave. Some of you guys are not really familiar with how we do things in the islands. Well, not even necessarily the islands. On my side of town. Hanover. So this is my grandmother's grave. Buried her last year, October. So what we gonna do, we gonna pretty up the grave pretty much. We're gonna put a design on it, put a headstone, all that. We do it ourselves. The grave is on our property. This is where this is where, yeah, we're gonna tile it, all of that. This is where we put all our family members. This is somewhat of our graveyard. But the funny thing is, in the States, I feel weird when I'm driving past the graveyard. But on my side, all the Jamaicans not like this. We in the country. We bury our family members sometimes. Some people put it in the yard. We just have a specific location on our land where we put our family members. I'm talking about family member as far as great-great-grandmother. Right up there. How far we go, Uncle Lady? Huh? How far we go? Who grave is up there? Great-great-grandmother?
Yeah, great-grandmother.
All of that. So this is where we put our family members. We're gonna decorate the grave. We're gonna add some tiles. We're gonna make it look good. So look out for it's not gonna be on this video. The finishing touch not gonna be on this video because we're probably not gonna be done with this till like Saturday. But look out for the video of us of the finishing touch of this video. You see what it look like now. But wait till we put it together. Yeah. That's Granny Jones right there. You know? Yeah man. See, I gotta get a young man come there, Jamaica, yeah. All my yardie, you know what I'm going already. You know it thinks it. That's my uncle right there. That's my grandmother oldest son. Uncle Laddie, you the oldest?
Right now. Yeah.
Right now.
Who?
Auntie Nama was the oldest?
No, me's the oldest.
All right then, son. All right, no.
I'm the oldest.
All right.
Right? The Godfather.
What? Tell him your age.
67, Papa. 76.
He lying. I'm about to say he lying. I'm about to say he lying.
76, Papa.
76.
Yeah.
And the boss still a jump.
76.
Got a lot of energy too.
1949. Take it out.
1949 sound crazy.
They want this to come out.
You gonna take this off? All right, me and Fabian. Fabian, come on. We have to work. We gotta take this off. Ah! Finger. Yeah. On this?
Yeah. Come on. Stand up, don't need chorus. Come to somewhere.
Wrong place.
Hey.
You're not in front of my car. Ah, experience. Then I've been up. Nothing to do with it. Experience.
When you land, I'm not going to have that.
I'm not going to.
Yeah, I'm going to split.
It's me I learn the trade in Orlando.
Yeah, I'm not going to have that.
But I build my own house. Yeah? Oh, we never know.
Yeah, but maybe I'm a slave.
Me talk about food anytime.
You need sand now to make mud, cement, everything. You know, come. Where you get water? Who going to be the water man?
It's water they can
Yeah. How are you to drink water?
Yeah, me, man. Speak English. In this strain, I think. Oh, no,
this is sing, man. This is the render song.
Yeah, that's what she said.
This is the render song. We need that up and we fix it.
That's what she said. She said this
That
one.
comes still.
You know?
Yeah, that comes safe, man.
I wash sand and no rendering sand.
I wash on this. You come like a dirt.
Yeah, no.
If I rendering sand, this can't hurt.
Sorry, good son.
When you come on,
This can't work.
go down there with it.
It can't work?
Yeah.
Listen, man, we don't want to work, do double work.
Go down there with it. Bring it down there.
Well, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to see him.
Come on, go down there with it.
You don't listen to me.
So, this gonna work, or what?
Go down there
That
with
only
it.
can work for the top.
My only
baby.
real cup
Listen
of
to man.
chef. So, I'm bum. Me not cook, man.
Then we go back to
No,
the rough side.
damn.
We go for the rough one or you to flash.
Yeah,
Go there.
that's why you'll be nice to people, you know. Come in. Bring the bucket right there. Wait. That's a good one. Eh? You know, one bucket me I carry. Even better. Me lean already. So you balance me out. I'm not kill off myself.
That not see.
No, that heavy still. Huh?
I go spray up my come mosquito.
Boy. Kareem, come in, man. What you doing? Kareem, I take a break. Come on over here, come work. Well, then have a next bucket. We have a next bucket. Where? There's a question. Where? Ask Wade. 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 Here.
No,
I ignore. Wade.
yeah, me.
Let's say need them. We have a next bucket. Where they in there?
That's when they tell a two, but
Me not care two, me just want, no. I'll carry one too. How much bucket do you need though?
5 buckets and 1 barrel. 2 barrel.
So you need 5 buckets total?
No, at least 10 buckets.
Yeah, at least 10. I know what that's about.
That's why I make sure that I use the bucket. Where this 9 years?
The bottom right.
See, so I wish one would just do that.
Him. Talk about move on your son, man.
See?
Show him.
Whoa. That catching my video too?
No.
Go on, you know what, go on. Backside.
No more than that. More like bucket them.
That makes good, man.
What do you mean?
you need water.
You don't need too wet. You don't need to be too wet. How about you don't mix good? You mix cement?
It's a season, man.
You know, mix cement for years, man. Years me up on the construction work.
that's it. That was good enough. Cherish, I appreciate you. Come. All right, come.
Hey, that's how we build block. I'm not flashing matter that.
Yeah.
And let me tell the boy,
Wait,
That, it need water.
That's how we
Naturally.
build block that.
Alright.
It's too dry.
Yeah,
Well,
that's how black meat.
just add some water to it now.
It's alright.
It go work.
It will.
Material.
Mud.
Mud. And the material man is mud.
Mud.
Mud. That's what they call it. Mud.
When I tell you only come fruit refreshments down here, Lando.
I know
And also we
music.
have a pan grip.
I know music.
Yeah,
I know.
So we don't do nothing, you know.
No.
We just come for that, go for a tour.
We had to cut the work a little short, but we're gonna get back to it. Look how peaceful it is. It's raining. I'm talking about, this is good sleep weather right here. This is why I play rain sound when I go to sleep. You know, I'm about to take a shower. My cousin actually just bathed outside in the rain. That's what we used to do in our childhood, so I'm not doing that. I'm not ready to show y'all this six-pack. But yeah, man, it's peaceful. This is my backyard, y'all. The video before this, I was down there. Nothing but food. Food, baby! Think about go shower, go take a shower in this rain. You about to go bathe outside? My little brother probably about to go out there. I ain't doing it. If I do it, I ain't gonna show y'all. I got like my six-pack is actually covered up. It's covered up with some things. A couple meals. But it's there. Like, for real, it's really there. Like, a lot of people don't really believe me. But it's there. But yeah. Let's see what comes after this. I don't know if we're gonna be able to finish the grade, but we'll see. All right, people. This turned out to be like a whole day thing. I don't even know what time it is. Probably like 4 or 5 o'clock. No, it's later than that. 5, 6 o'clock. I done showered and everything. We're on the road, got food. We're not done because it was raining, right? So we had to pause. But the job has to get done today. See? They calling me already. And I can't do nothing. I can't do anything. I don't know how to do that work. I can do the physical part as far as lifting and moving stuff. That's about it. But heading down there right now. Right now. Alright. Let me tell you. This is gonna make me rich.
We need help.
We need you down here.
It's sand and grit.
We still can with him.
You can't nail them on this.
You want nail that there?
Oi.
Wait, take it down. 1, 2, 3.
space
1,
back.
2. Hold on, man. Hold on, dog. Yo, next one, hold it.
Yo,
Right there,
Papa.
make you hold it.
No, I decided me I hold it from.
Yo,
Right
this is weight. Don't joke with me.
No, exactly. So many of them
Kill out the back.
Solid concrete.
and straight legs me there. You know
Yeah.
about me know that.
Don't no joke with weight, man.
Lift the middle first so Lando can get a grip.
1, 2, 3, up.
Alright, watch me now.
Me have me only wrong, you know.
No, you're not only wrong.
Me no have a good. Me no
Just come.
Alright,
Come.
good now.
Up in that ear, up in
Up
that
in here,
ear.
up higher. Up
Up higher.
higher.
Alright.
Watch
Come to me, come to me. Come to me.
Wait.
Second man.
You don't?
Just second. Yeah,
Oh.
good. Alright, somebody come around here so for me. With one I like.
One light we are. Oh, 2. So stay there, stay ready.
Yo, Wallace.
Wait,
Wallace
you know,
corner.
hey,
You know, secretary.
That
hold
good,
on,
that
hold
good,
on.
that good.
Hold on.
Hold it back.
Okay.
Hold it.
Come on, come
This
on.
one with the pan. Hey,
Alright, you can't take all that, take all that. Car.
this one with the pan the edge like
No,
this.
take off it, take off it.
You
Take
mark
off the
them?
jumper. Yeah, take it off.
What are you doing?
Watch on.
You mark them.
I don't know where you are doing with.
I'll let you know what I'm doing.
You can't board the wall out of the edge. You have to go in.
You know that, Grandpa? Yeah. I'm not trying to catch you. Straight.
Oh, okay.
Oh, when you come up with the idea to separate it.
Charlotte.
Then you have to
You should have built in, like Lashin said, built in from scratch.
But it's still hot. How are you drip that will go down?
No, I don't know. Just hold it right there, sir.
Okay, don't let it go.
Mark where the rebar is. Mark where the rebar is.
Then you go down, you don't flush against this.
See them send one card.
Oh, yeah.
You one can
Yeah.
set up that card.
When you say somebody need the iron, just remember.
Watch yourself. You can't let go, Grandpa. Let go.
Just remember.
You can't let go. You can't let go.
Oh.
Grandpa, my kids can't let go.
Why we let it go drop? Boom.
Alright, give me one phone light right now.
And what way?
Phone light.
I pull it, pull it. No, man, hold on, Penny. What do you want to lift you up? We gotta try to push it forward.
No, just hold it there, someone.
Light come.
Light come.
Yeah, light come.
No more connecting.
How will you connect it?
Can't take off now.
Alright, so we'll go put it.
Yeah, take off and put it back again.
Grab that in there for you. Hold on. So when I take it off and put it on, don't let it go from my hand, dog.
You don't put on one side first.
As you can see, it's night.
It will look good.
We're still out here.
How is it not to him?
I mean, when I ask her if it look good, come see. The job must be done tonight. No ifs, ands about it. So we're gonna keep going until the job is done. As you can see, it's dark. Let me turn around and show you. It's dark.
Where light never come?
We all here.
Light. Where they send?
The ball.
Oh, see it.
You send light come in.
we
You send light come in.
we hooking up some light right now.
You see your feet.
See that?
See your brother side.
People arguing over nothing. Hold on,
Everybody go left way.
Everybody gone.
the chef here, guys.
Just me and you was down here.
We outside, you know. The work never stop. Is it?
That's what.
One lion, the oldest one. Oldest chambers right now, you know. Give him the light, Lando. Signal.
From the pine tree.
Watch her.
Signal. I tried to catch it. I tried to.
Nobody had no left.
You know if you say level
I'll lend out lion and people take them.
No matter what. Bombard. Easy, dog.
Stop run, put me on kick in.
Wait it.
You can't find it. Take your time.
Find the whole land up. It's alright. Sometimes you have to get help, you know. Alright, Remy. See you there.
Look how one bar goes up top. The arch. Because it leans so right now come support no day.
Where's the friend, Jerry?
Once both of them support them.
One of them white that one. One of them white that one, machine.
What is center? Find feet, two of them. Don't look funny. See center, yeah. See center, you see it? See center there.
Well, eat white too.
Alright, now we're ahead by whiteness.
Me not
So
know.
sad.
Wait till Shirley see it.
Me?
What really happened?
There will be no sorrow, no pain.